Here we are at the Bushfire simulator, and being avid knife makers, we're going to make a knife, guys. This is for the beginner. We're going to forge a knife out of 1084 steel from Gamaco Artisan Supplies. It's great steel. Obviously we've got to get it hot, and we built this forge. We're going to give it a test and see how it goes as a forge today. All right. Now forges work better with air, so we've got a compressor here. That'll hold it up for us. Here we go. And the air from the compressor is going to come up with the gas, and it's going to make more heat. Basically that's it. That's all you need to get started, guys. Thanks very much. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Test complete. Oh, you cannot see perhaps, but those steel purlins are red hot. Yes, yes. Alrighty. As you may expect, she's a little bit hot out there to go out and get it. I've got to solve this problem, guys. How do you guys get your steel out of the forge when it's a good 4 or 5 metres away, 20 foot or so, and the ground's at, you know, well, you boil water on it, that's for sure. Sadness. By the time the ground's cold, my steel's cold. Fairly sad. Better give us your tips in the comments below about what we should do to improve this. We've literally got on tap thousands of litres of propane. We can do something with it. How about we build a house? If you like this, comment and subscribe. We'll build a house and burn it. There you go. That's our absolute promise. So not sure how hot it got out here, but that's high temp fiberglass insulation. That's melted. It's now glass. That is now glass. Ooh. Trust me anyway. And this one over here, which is some distance away, is also melted. What a sensation.